Hi guys, welcome back to our channel and thank you very much for your support in the past. We've got a tremendous support for the new collection as well as the sale. So this time we are getting you a package of products which are unique, which are authentic, which are mostly US shipments, European shipments in fresh new condition. So this is a new collection and these are the pricing of these are going to be very competitive. बहुत अच्छे प्राइसेस आपको मिलेंगे. आपको व्हाट्सएप पे क्वेरी डालना पड़ेगा. जो सेल के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनके हम साइज और प्राइस डिस्क्लोज करते हैं. इसमें हम सिर्फ साइजेस बताते हैं, बाकी आपको व्हाट्सएप पे प्राइसेस मिल जाता है. So they are going to be some numbers flashed there, and I request you to put in your queries on WhatsApp and first come first basis, because ये सब कुछ काफी सारे pieces sorted है and they're single pieces. We always have an issue. We love to cater to all the clients, but kabhi most of the time it is not possible because they're single pieces. So thank you very much, and we look forward to your support. Do subscribe and like the channel, and thank you very much. Okay guys, we are starting with the bottoms. This is Christian Dior. You can see this.
Yes,
It's a beautiful piece, and you can see the logo here in the pocket. Dior ka shipment, and beautiful piece. It's the fit is straight.
Nice.
And it's got these streaks here, a beautiful patch यहाँ पे, golden metal and with leather. So overall a beautiful piece. It's got this golden button, contrast gold with blue, Christian Dior, and a lovely piece. So
क्या साइज होगा भैया?
ये साइज हम आपको बता देते हैं क्योंकि सिंगल पीस है. So we'll measure them. I think it should be a 36. We'll quickly measure this. Straight fit. 36. Perfect 36. Straight fit. Single piece. You can quickly order. Fresh, new, authentic.
Yes.
This is copper and a lovely blue mix. Indigo blue and copper mix. ये जो blend किया हुआ है इन्होंने, this is very unique. So Guess is the brand. US shipment. Single sampling piece. I think this should be a 34, 35 with stretch 36.
36.
And again, this is like a straight fit.
Straight fit. You can see.
It mentions 34, but it's about 35, 36 because इसमें इसका waist भी जो है ये stretchable है. So good enough for like 34 to 36. ये देखिए दोबारा हमने बता दिया आपको. ये leather है. This has got a lovely metal logo there, and a beautiful piece. You can see just one piece, single piece. Guess is the brand. Okay. Now again an international luxury brand, Celine.
Celine.
Paris. So it's a very nice piece there. Single piece, slim fit, ankle length. तो इसका लेंथ जो है थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट होगा कंपैरिजन में.
This is ankle length.
Ankle length, yeah. This is 32, 33 के लिए perfect है. पीछे से दिखाइए. पीछे से it's a beautiful piece. You can see there. That's the logo there. और ये देखिए, Celine. ये logo है. So it's a lovely blue. Okay. Stone Island. Again a luxury brand. Stone Island. Again slim fit.
Ankle length. Okay.
नहीं, एंकल से थोड़ा सा लंबा है ये. अगर हम देखेंगे कंपैरिजन में, ये यहाँ पे पॉकेट पे भी है. Okay, so we'll measure this. Button पे भी Stone Island, and you've got a scan and everything. 34 is mentioned. हम इसको नाप के आपको दे रहे हैं each and every product को. 34, perfect 34. पीछे से भी दिखाइए. Stone Island. It's got a cloth label. Okay, we got a diesel in a bigger size. This should be 36, 38. Oh, this is 39, 39, 40. So just one piece in diesel, 39, 40 shipment pack. Beautiful piece. पीछे से भी दिखाइए. And the fit is straight. It's a lovely indigo blue. Just single piece. Boot cut Balmain charcoal grey. I think this is a 34 or a 36. We'll measure. 36. Easy stretch, very comfortable. Boot cut, beautiful piece. Single piece. Quickly order करिए. Fresh new collection है. ये देखिए beautiful metal
Nice
here,
logo.
and it's got
Ah,
this B embossed, which is the logo there. So the same thing in a different color. I think this should be 36. 36,
36.
yes. 36 straight fit. Even on the pocket here, you can see. ये देखिए. Pocket पे it's got that B there. It's got a lovely. Okay, guys. Now this is the drawstring pant. हमने last time भी आपको दिखाया था. This is about 150 euros for this article. European shipment है. Drawstring है. Lovely fabric. Linen is the fabric.
36
साइज हम आपको मेजर करके दे देते हैं बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी आर्टिकल ये 36 मेंशन
36,
है.
34.
36 we see this 36 plus, yeah. So this is full length.
Nice
Length
color.
की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें. Slim fit है. Linen is the fabric and it's got a drawstring. So इसमें we'll quickly tell you the sizes. Pawan 34 is also available. So the color is a lovely light olive
Olive
green.
green.
Light olive green. So 34, 36 in light olive green. In the dark one, okay, light में और भी sizes बता दीजिए.
32 32
32.
30
30.
Yeah. So in this color we have 30,
ओपन करना भी है इसको.
32,
30.
36.
हाँ
32, sorry, 30, 32, 34, 36. 4 pieces in light olive green. Complete set. Okay, अब ये देखिए ये dark olive green है.
30
This one 30, 32.
32. I think this is also a complete set. We'll ये 30 है. This is 30. So you can quickly order. These are all fresh, new, clean pieces. This is a 34,
34
and we have one 36. In light and dark, we have basically 32, 36 in both the colors. In light and dark. This is the dark.
This one awesome.
And in white, we have just one single piece. It's a 34. आगे पीछे दिखा दो.
34
ये तो मेरे लिए भी है.
Okay, we are just showing you the bottoms पहले. So this is again a summer article, very thin. ये देखिए ये इसको छू के देखते हैं. Fabric is crazy.
Okay.
Very thin and very silky kind of a fabric. Skechers is the brand.
Skechers performance tech.
Performance tech. This is very good for the gym and all that. 100% authentic. ये देखिए the zip. Feel the fabric. इसका
What is the
fabric
size?
कितना crazy है.
XL.
XL
XL. XL goes up to. इसको measure करके दिखा देते हैं एक बार. Without stretch it's 32. Stretch करिए थोड़ा. Comfort stretch में ये जाएगा. और stretch करिए और जाएगा. Yeah, it goes up to 36, 38.
36.
So lovely, straight from the bottom. Authentic, lightweight. Skechers. It's good for a walk, multi-purpose, gym, etc. ये देखिए, the same thing in a olive green color. Size बताइए.
This size is 30.
medium
Okay. There's some jeans. All the stock is jumbled up, तो कुछ कुछ निकल के आ रहे हैं. At the moment we are showing you bottoms. ये size 36 है. Coach.
coach
A lovely design at the back. ये देखिए. And I think it's a size 36. फिर भी हम नाप के आपको दिखा देते हैं.
Nice.
And if you look at the fit, it is slightly slim, right? Slim straight कह सकते हैं इसको. Slim straight. Slim straight, a lovely blue. सीधा पकड़िए. ये देखिए ये सब front pocket पे है design लिखा हुआ. And this is
34.
No.
6
36.
Sorry, 36.
36. Okay, some we are just showing you all the bottoms पहले. We've got some shorts. ये देखिए we're lightweight. Tommy. Cotton knitted shorts. Size 36 plus.
XL.
So this is lightweight. It's not thick. बहुत ही light है. And the waist is 36. Stretch में ये 40 तक जाता है. कोई issue नहीं है. It's got a beautiful design there with this embroidery work. And the back is plain. So there's a white in it. And we've got
Black.
lovely black. Size बताते जाइए.
size XL
XL. Again 36 plus.
This is logo.
Okay, again cotton shorts. This is Being Human.
Being
is the
Human.
brand. Size बताइए इनको।
XL.
XL.
XL. पीछे से
The back
there's a
pocket.
pocket. And there's a large.
Large.
Large is good enough for like 34 I think, 32, 34, because it's a domestic product. It's got a zip in one side. Okay.
Back pocket.
So there's a medium here,
Medium.
charcoal grey. Okay, another one in size large,
Large.
34,
Okay.
Back pocket.
34. Okay, now these are performance shorts, dry fit for the gym. They're good for the gym, for running, for athletics. You know, these are the grip on the thighs and uske upar ye.
Which brand?
So this is a domestic product, but just few pieces there for sports lovers. आपको अच्छे price पे मिल जाएगा. These are 34, 36, 38 is the. I think this should be 36, 38.
Okay.
तो हम आपको viewers bottoms दिखा रहे हैं सारे पहले. फिर आपको we'll move on to the other articles. Lovely CK there.
CK.
Okay, now CK thin, lightweight, summer.
This is summer article.
Summer article आप feel करके देख सकते
yes,
हैं.
yes, of
देखिए,
course.
बहुत ही thin है. And a beautiful
Nice.
print,
Size XL.
straight from the bottom. XL is the size. It's got a lovely zip pocket, single zip pocket. Both sides are zip. So your design is very nice. Both sides are zip. There's a pocket at the back.
Pocket.
Lightweight. Length इसका पूरा है. देखिए पवन को भी लगा रहे हैं. So it's coming almost till his chest. So it's international, according to international sizing. European shipment होगा ये. Lightweight.
XL.
You can quickly order the authentic cotton
XL.
में. Large XL, double XL, which means 32 से लेके आपको 36, 38 तक मिल जाएगा ये. 3 pieces है. आप जल्दी से इसको ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. Very beautiful piece. देख सकते हैं. Okay, now we've got Pizza Italia is the brand. You can just zoom in. ये देखिए. 130 euros after sale. ये देखिए, beautiful piece. Formal trousers, lovely fabric. You can see the pleat running through, and there's a pleat. There's a fold at the bottom. Fold at the bottom, pleat running right through the center. पीछे से elastic है, but there will be a belt here, so it can be worn as a formal trouser. Tape. इसमें size क्या mention है? इसमें size 50. You know the sizes mentioned here, according to European sizes, 52 है. Size 52, but we'll still measure without stretch ये क्या हो रहा है और stretch के साथ कितना है. So this is 34, but I think with stretch, पीछे से stretch करिए थोड़ा, 36. 34, 36 के लिए comfortable formal trousers, Pizza Italia, shipment pack condition, awesome, full length, lovely formal trouser, shipment pack condition. So viewers, you can quickly order just one piece at the moment in this color. इसमें एक और color है, a lovely beige. ये देखिए Pizza Italia again. Folded trousers. These can be worn formally. Again, size 50. It's got a
Measure कर दीजिए
different article है ये double pleat है. वो single pleat था which was running all through. ये देखिए ये 34 again 36 तक जाएगा ये. Shipment pack condition. ये security seal लगा हुआ है पीछे. Size 50 यहाँ mentioned है. It's got a zip. It's got wash care, everything intact. तो ये देखिए ये दूसरा कलर है. ये साइज हम आपको बता देते हैं. वो 50 था, 48. दिस इज 32, 34. सेम आर्टिकल, 32, 34 एंड 36 अवेलेबल. हम आपको बॉटम्स दिखा रहे हैं पहले. ओके, ये है कैलियोप. यू कैन जूम इन एंड सी द ब्रांड. इट्स अ अमेरिकन और यूरोपियन ब्रांड. 30 euros अगेन. एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज लिनन पैंट्स हैं ये. Lovely cross pockets. ये देखिए cross pockets.
Nice fabric.
Very nice fabric. Linen stripes. Full length. Looks really very classy. Lounge pants. XL है. XL without stretch. We'll show you. 34 without stretch. With stretch 36 plus. So ये है linen pants. Calliope is the brand. XL. Now we have a small.
Small.
मेंस है ये. Please don't confuse it for a girl's article. It's a men's article. Linen is the fabric. It's got beautiful drawstring. Shipment pack condition mein hai. 28. It will go up to 32. 32, 33. Comfortable for 28 to 33. Okay. Now there's a medium also in this.
Medium.
Same thing, medium. 32, 34. है ना? 32, 34. Comfortable for 32, 34. Okay, some more lowers here. ये हम आपको पहले दिखा चुके थे. साइज बताते हो बस. Skechers, cotton, summer, very lightweight. XL, 36 I think, है ना? Olive green. इसका साइज बता दो बस. साइज क्या है?
Large.
Large. Super dry, cargo joggers. Cotton with drawstring, pockets. It's got 6 pocket
6. Okay.
cargo joggers with a rib at the bottom. ये देखिए ये rib है. And this is a smaller waist, so I think this is small size.
32.
30, 32 maximum 30, 32. 30 को और comfortable होगा 30, 31. फिर हमारे पास ये कोलंबिया.
Columbia.
अगेन अ स्मॉलर साइज. आप देख सकते हैं बहुत प्यारा आर्टिकल है. ये देख लीजिए. अगेन 8 how many pocket is this? 6 pocket. And it's got a hidden
1,
pocket
2,
here. Adventure pants.
3.
देखिए
4,
beautiful. You see the detailing. ये the button here, the zip. It's got a belt and a beautiful zip here. Trouser style. Columbia is the brand. And पीछे ये देखिए ये Columbia है. यहाँ पे lovely label there. So trouser style. नीचे से it's got this drawstring. So if you don't want the drawstring, इसको loosen कर सकते हैं. Loose करके ये थोड़ा सा और wide हो जाता है. So I think the size is 30, 32,
Yes. 30, 32.
30, 32. Yeah, 32. Perfect 32. Maximum 1 inch का stretch होगा. Just single piece in Columbia. Okay. Armani
Armani.
exchange.
Armani.
So lovely white color. हमने अभी poly bag से खोला है इसको. It's neat and clean and fresh. And you can see the size. It's 34 I think. So beautiful article. You can see the button and everything. Even the zip is beautiful. Very nice. It's got the logo there. Stretchable है. Slim fit है. Length पूरा है. Because they cater to a broad 6 feet plus. 6'2" height के लिए. ये देखिए. Beautiful metal logo at the back and a white embossed leather patch. So I think this is 34 and even in front it's got this. We'll measure the size. 34, 35. It's good enough for 34 and 36 दोनों को आ सकता है ये क्योंकि इसके waist में भी stretchable है, elastic है. Only one piece you can quickly order. ये देखिए ये एक और piece है. ये this is indigo blue.
Armani.
Armani exchange AX. पीछे से दिखा दीजिए.
साइज बता दीजिए भैया.
36.
This is 36. Let's see. It's a slim fit. Yeah, this is 18, 36 plus, 36, 38. दोनों को आ जाएगा.
वो बॉस नहीं आ रहे भैया काफ़ी टाइम से.
वो सी तो वही.
बॉस ये लीजिए. इन्होंने कहा और ये आ गया. ये देखिए ये यूरोपियन शिपमेंट है. 95 pounds. You can see there.
नाइस.
So shipment pack condition में है. It's got beautiful wash care. Fabric is really nice. That's a medium. So we got 3 colors in this. So we're just measuring for you. Medium कितने का होता है, large कितने का है. Viewers will get to know. It's easy for you to order. 21 is a medium.
मीडियम.
20 and a half. So about 41 is a medium. And we got a lovely white
नाइस.
in this. Yeah. We've got medium, large and XL in 3 colors.
दिस वन फॉर मी.
Yeah. So that's a lovely white, and we've got a XL. I mean, we got all sizes in these. There's a black also.
एक्सेल.
XL. So guys, 3 colors, white, वो जो beige है और black. Medium to XL, right?
Yes.
Medium to XL. We don't have double XL. Medium to XL. XL is good enough. It's 46 plus. So these are the articles. This beige में ये double XL.
Double XL. Gauze.
डबल एक्सल.
Double XL. White में हम बताते हैं कि double XL है कि नहीं. Yes.
Double
White में भी है. So I think we have medium to double XL in these 3 colors. In white.
Black.
And
By
beige
black.
and
Black.
black. Medium to double XL. So that's the good news. So which means 42, 46, 48 हमारे पास है Hugo Boss में. Shipment pack condition. ये देखिए assortment में है a beautiful piece Emporio Armani.
Emporio.
Again authentic, 100% authentic product. Look at the work on it. Look at this embroidery work with thin thread. It looks so beautiful. Over
Nice.
10,000 का article है ये. Awesome sampling piece. You can see the work once again. I would request you to zoom in, look at the work on it. The cloth is really outstanding. The work here, Emporio Armani, is crazy. So this article is over 11-12,000. पीछे से plain है, plain छोड़ दीजिए, plain. आगे से ये दिखाइए.
Dry fit है सर
ये dry fit and cotton mix है, which is polyester cotton mix of the best texture because it's a very expensive t-shirt. आप इसके detailing देख सकते हैं. इसके जो sleeves है इसमें भी broad जो है border दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे for the arms. So someone has good biceps, it will look really nice, this t-shirt. So you get this t-shirt for almost 80% plus on the actual price. The actual price is close to 11 to 12,000. Over 80% on that single piece. You can quickly polo, a beautiful teddy bear here, print.
काफ़ी टाइम बाद आया अभी फोन
हाँ, ये देखिए शिपमेंट, और वो भी शिपमेंट पैक कंडीशन में मिला है. सो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल, बाहर का शिपमेंट होगा. ब्यूटीफुल, लुक एट हाउ वाइब्रेंट द प्रिंट इज. Beautiful color, and this cute guy is painting polo across. So a very attractive t-shirt overall. We are just quickly going to talk about the size. We got 3 colors in this: red, blue, and white.
White.
So this is a perfect 20, size 20,
Medium.
shipment pack condition. You can see very nice authentic piece, almost $200 for this article. So beautiful, plain from the back.
Back
So
plain.
we are measuring the sizes for you. The colors also we are showing you. It's a beautiful authentic print, very nice.
Side large.
Polo bear, that's a large, so we are measuring what the large is. This is a 21, perfect 21, which is a 42,
Back plain.
and there is a XL.
एक्सेल.
So we are just showing you the size. This exercise is for the size. XL measures to 44.
नाइस वन.
There is a double XL.
Double
XL is again a little slightly more than 22. So 3 colors, viewers, in size medium to double XL. So which is 40 to 44, 45. 3 colors.
Three.
All shipment pack pieces, single sizes. You can quickly order these articles. You'll get them exactly the way it is. Okay. So guys, we are showing you shipment pack condition. Abercrombie and Fitch is the brand. It's an American brand. These are the countries it's been exported to: UK, the European Union, US, Canada. That's the pricing. Beautiful applique work, if you see there, the lovely deer, the lovely thread work, and the beautiful applique work. So the cotton is slightly thicker to hold this applique work, and it's all summer articles. इतना भी thick नहीं है. It is cotton, 100% cotton, and this is a large. So we'll quickly measure what a large is. It's a 22. 22, which is a 44 for large. US shipment है, intact, everything. पीछे से plain है. There are multiple designs, shipment pack condition. You get a crazy price. You can quickly order them. First come first basis पे. We've got more than 10 designs in this. More than 10 to 12 designs. हटाइए. Okay, this is the beautiful prints, outstanding prints. Large, again a large.
Again
We've
large
shown you
size.
what the size for a large is. बंद कर दो, एक second. So guys, look at the print. It's a beautiful, this little bird playing You know, he's got a mug of
Yeah.
beer, and so it's very outstanding design and very good for college guys, youngsters. Very nice article.
Size large.
Large. Yeah, we'll talk about all the sizes because these are assortment, but in many designs. XL.
Excel.
So lovely 54. This is applique work. It's called applique work. So, and this is embroidery. So lovely embroidery and applique work together. And a beautiful olive green. Size is XL, which is a 44, 46.
44, 46.
Yeah. Okay, now there's a maroon.
Maroon.
Each and every article is outstanding,
design.
one better than the other. So you can quickly order them. You can see the beautiful, this reindeer relaxing and very nice prints. It's got again applique work. It's got this heavy embroidery there. Pool party. This guy's enjoying his life there. So very nice stuff. Again 40, medium.
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 Yeah, medium. 40, 41. Now this blue. Here you can see this blue. It's got the beach theme. It's 92 Abercrombie. So you can see them on the
Large.
on various sites abroad as well. So large. That's a large.
Large.
Okay, ये वाला देखिए. A lovely
Nice.
mint green. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a fluorescent sort of a green. A dull fluorescent green
Medium.
with blue applique work. So it's Abercrombie blue applique work.
Size medium.
And a beautiful design A and F. Size is medium 40 41.
Yes.
Okay,
White.
so this is probably a baseball or rugby,
Double
American
XL.
baseball or rugby. That's the helmet there, A and F. So lovely design there. You can see double XL is the size. Double XL in this हम देखना चाहेंगे कि क्या जाता है. I think it should be 46. Let's see. Yeah, 23, 46. So lovely article. Okay, this is a bright white. It's a slightly brighter white,
Right, right.
thinner fabric, and a lovely applique work design. You can see A&F New York, and those are the boots there. So what's the size, Pawan?
Double XL.
Double XL.
Double
Okay, guys, this is a XL.
XL.
Combination is nice, yellow, maroon, and grey. And this beautiful deer there, Abercrombie and Fitch. Size बता दिया? Okay. So this is double XL, a black.
Double XL. Black.
A lovely design there. It says Abercrombie and Fitch Company, the greatest outdoor goods store in the world, New York. Okay. So that's the print there. This is a medium. in
Medium.
black.
Medium.
Medium in black. Now we've showed you all the designs. We'll quickly, in the poly bag, we'll show you the sizes. We'll tell you about the sizes. This white has a medium. This is a medium. Green is a large.
Large.
Okay. Now medium.
Medium.
It's a medium.
Medium.
दिखाइए थी अच्छे से दिखाइए. This is a large.
Large. Large.
Okay. Then we have an XL in this.
XL.
A large.
Large.
XL in this
XL.
green. हटा दीजिए. Medium.
Medium.
डिजाइन दिखाओ. ऐसे दिखाओ. Medium.
Medium.
Large.
Large.
Medium.
Medium.
Double XL.
Double XL.
XL in this black.
XL.
इसके open pieces हम सब आपको दिखा चुके हैं. ये sizes we are talking about the sizes. Large. Maroon has a double XL.
Double XL.
XL in the maroon.
XL. Maroon.
XL in white.
XL. White.
Large in the olive green. 54.
Large.
Okay, and this is
Large.
large in orange, and the last piece medium in this baseball t-shirt. Okay.
XL, double
So in
XL,
this color we have a XL and a double XX. This maroon.
maroon.
पहले जो थे वो छोटे साइज थे, हम बता चुके हैं इसमें. And this
Double
one
XL.
is a XL.
XL.
Okay, now guys, this is lovely
Boss.
fabric. You can
Hugo.
feel the. We can tell you from here that the fabric is very nice.
Hugo.
Very silky
fabric.
fabric, very nice article. You can see the lovely design on it, the vertical stripes and the vertical words. Look really nice and classy. It's got lovely push buttons. You देखिए, push buttons यहाँ पे. Look at the collar, the work on the collar, the fabric they've used. They made the. So it's standing out very well. This article. It's got
Size
nice
large.
sleeves. Large. We'll quickly measure what a large is. 21 plus stretch, which is 42. पीछे से it's all over pattern. So we have a large, we have a XL, which is a 44, and a
XL.
double XL, which is a 44, 46. Just one single color. Okay. A lovely orange. EA 7 Emporio Armani.
Imperial money.
Got a
Large
lovely
size.
placket, white placket.
Nice
here
fabric, yeah.
behind the.
Awesome.
और ये देखिए, it's got contrast. It's going with the collar, the contrast. So single sampling piece. पीछे से ये देखिए. So very
Size-
nice again, fabric is awesome. Piece is intact, fresh, new. And जो भी हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं ये latest collection है. और ये these are again June July exports to the US or Europe. तो आपको clean pieces मिलेंगे.
इसमें साइज एक ही है भैया?
एक ही पीस है, लार्ज है. आई थिंक दैट्स गुड इनफ फॉर 42. सिंगल आर्टिकल्स असॉर्टमेंट में से है. ये देखिए, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल पीस. नाउ दिस इज
Beautiful.
कॉटन पीके फैब्रिक
मीडियम.
with little bit of lycra. Outstanding piece again.
Single.
So we are getting the best pieces for you, the best designs for you, sampling pieces. ये देखिए, पीछे से plain, a beautiful blue. Look at the work on the collar. ये देखिए कितना rich है. ये देखिए, ये beautiful. Medium is the size mentioned there. You can see the work on it.
3.
ठीक है. Number 3, and you can see the work on the sleeve here. Yeah. So this is again
मीडियम.
medium. I think it should be good enough for 41 with stretch 42. Yeah. 20, 21 जा रहा है. 21 and a half, 20. ये Lacoste है.
In the cost. Black. Size large.
My favorite brand.
Oh my god.
So see, the uniqueness about this is the placket is very modern. आप ये 2024 का डिज़ाइन है. ये placket बहुत modern है. They've worked on the placket. The logo is self logo, which is the same color. तो ये and the size mentioned here is 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे चलता है. 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 ऐसे चलते हैं. So 5 is a large.
Size?
It's a regular
L.
fit. So regular fit, I think we'll measure for you what it is. Regular fit, I think large should be 40. Yeah, it's 21 plus, 21 and a half. Product, we have a white.
White. Size large.
Lacoste. Nice. Which fabric, sir?
Cotton. It's cotton. Again, the same thing. The black, we have a white. 2 single pieces are there. And the size that was 5, this is also a 5.
Large.
So white on white, beautiful placket there. We've shown you the wash care, shipment pack, European shipment है ये. तो आपको wash care each and everything intact मिलेगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है जी. So just 2 pieces in this. You can quickly order. Size 42, 43. Full stretch में 44. Now look at this beautiful piece.
Fred Perry.
Just single sampling है. आप फोकस करके जूम करके दिखा सकते हैं व्यूअर्स को कितना प्यारा पीस है ये। इसका कॉम्बिनेशन आप देख सकते हैं कॉलर पे, स्लीव्स पे, इट्स रियली आउटस्टैंडिंग। पीके कॉटन फैब्रिक है।
ये पीछे लोगो है।
पीछे दिखा दो कॉलर पे।
नाइस।
साइज लार्ज।
साइज लार्ज, आई थिंक 42 है ना? 42 या 42 है।
लार्ज।
एक सिंगल पीस है, सो विल क्विकली मेजर इट फॉर
लग
यू।
रहा है मुझे
44, let's see what it is. Yeah, 43,
3
21 and a half,
43, 44 stretchable.
44 को भी जा रहा है ये। Just one single piece, viewers, you can quickly order. It's an outstanding piece with the wash care and everything intact. और ये सब single sampling है, luxury labels है। ये देखिए, such a beautiful piece. You can zoom
Prada.
in. Look at the gold badge. This is outstanding piece. A
Nice.
lovely bright red. Just one single piece. They are not in size sets.
एक्सेल।
XL. ये देखिए outstanding. Fabric is cotton, PK, and quickly show you the wash care and everything is perfect, beautiful. You can scannable everything, and you can zoom in on this badge once again. Yeah. And that's the size XL, which is a 44 plus. We'll measure क्योंकि ये single sampling है. It's important for us to measure ताकि आपको exact size पता चले. ये देखिए 44, right?
Right.
So 44. If you everything is plain.
प्लेन बैक प्लेन
Viewers, we are showing you some T-shirts. Now, ये I know it's not the season here up in the north, but certain parts of the country, this is a ultra luxury brand, authentic है. Not many people know about this label, but it is a very costly brand, Billionaire. You can see the beautiful logo there. So ये बड़ी मुश्किल से export shipment से कुछ sampling मिले हैं हमें. We got this full sleeve beautiful
Made in Italy.
T-shirt. You can see the detailing at the back. It's a very very costly T-shirt. इसके price जो है 30,000 to 80-90,000, almost 1 lakh तक जाते हैं ये. अगर आप इस ब्रांड को गूगल करें, सिंगल टी शर्ट का ये प्राइस है 30,000 to 1 lakh. So this is really exclusive piece. We are taking the effort to show you in detail. ये देखिए इसमें ये बारकोड है, सब चीज़. Everything is authentic. People don't know about this brand, तो इसके कोई भी replicas वगैरह मार्केट में नहीं आते हैं. It is a beautiful piece and sampling piece. This is size medium. It's got a logo at the back here in this loop.
अगस्त में या
Okay, right. I think he's raised a question. When can we wear it? 25 degrees to 28 degrees maximum temperature में आप इसको पहन सकते हैं. Below that और up to 25-26 degrees बहुत comfortably आप इसको पहन सकते हैं. It's a pre-winter article, but can be worn up to 25-28 degrees. So we'll quickly tell you the sizes. That's a medium.
मीडियम
Medium fits what size? We'll show you the quick measurement because ये बाहर के shipments हैं. So we just quickly tell you the size. It's 20. Yeah, it's 40. 40. 40 for a medium. Now we have a double XL,
डबल एक्स
which I'm assuming is a 44. And we have a XL, which is a 42. And we have a large.
लार्ज
Yeah. So we've got medium to double XL in the beautiful olive green. Now the same brand, Billionaire, in a contrast. This is a contrast. If you see, it's got black collars and the logo is standing out wonderfully there. आप देख सकते हैं इसको. Beautiful piece, rich piece. And as the brand suggests, it's a very costly brand, authentic. देखिए इसको छू के you can find out how soft and nice it is.
नाइस।
And it's really awesome. So everything has wash care, everything is intact. आप इसको ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं.
इसमें कौन कौन से साइज है भैया?
इसमें साइजेस हम आपको क्विकली बता देते हैं. एक लार्ज भी है इसमें,
लार्ज
मीडियम है,
मीडियम
XL है,
एक्सेल
and again a double XL.
Double
So
XL.
both green and this beautiful wine maroon color have medium to double XL.
ब्लियन
Okay, we're showing you other polo t-shirts. We got RL, sort of dry
RL.
fit fabric.
लार्ज। दिस इज लार्ज या
Contrast
मीडियम?
collars. This is large.
लार्ज
We'll quickly measure this. Fabric जो है sports material है, थोड़ा सा polyester mix है, so it's very soft. It's got cotton polyester mix, so it makes it very slippery and silky. The fabric, 21, which is a large, which is a 42. Okay. I think in this article we have the size set. हम आपको जल्दी से बता देते हैं size बता दीजिए.
Medium.
That's a 40, and we have
Large.
another 42.
Large.
Again large.
Double XL.
ये double XL.
Double XL and XL.
XL.
So basically, medium to double XL available in this lovely unique color with contrast collar, RL Polo, US shipment. Now guys, very lovely fabric, very thin fabric for extreme heat, 50 degree plus maybe you can carry this. It's so silky and very nice cotton. ये फिसल रहा है. If you see the fabric,
Dry
it's,
fit.
you know, it's 100% cotton, but ये slip कर रहा है.
Sleep.
So that's the uniqueness of this product, and it's got a beautiful label there. You can see the silver label and authentic piece short collars, and we'll tell you the sizes. इसका
Size.
size बताइए. यहाँ क्या लिखा है?
Medium.
Medium. Okay, so we'll show you the wash care also. So intact wash care, everything.
Nice.
Yeah. So we just quickly measured medium for you is a 40. Yeah. ये देखिए. 20 and a half. So a beautiful logo. आप कुछ भी करिए इसको ये निकलने नहीं वाला है. You know, you wash it or anything. पीछे से plain white. So white में हम आपको जल्दी से बता देते हैं क्या sizes है. I think it should be a size set, लेकिन जल्दी से बता दीजिए
XL.
viewers को.
XL.
XL ये भी बता दीजिए क्या size है.
Double XL.
Yeah. So ML,
Double
XL,
XL.
double XL. We got
Yes.
4 pieces in white, black दिखा दीजिए.
Black. Size
तो
large.
दोनों pieces viewers look very nice. The
Size
silver
large.
on white and silver on black बहुत unique लगता है. Fabric बहुत ही light है. It's as though you're carrying nothing. इतना silky fabric है and beautiful piece, you know. So the black is also outstanding. The white is also outstanding. You can quickly order this article. Fabric, you'll love it. This product is really nice and very nice.
Size क्या होंगे भैया इसमें?
साइजेस इसमें जल्दी से बता देते हैं हम आपको. आई थिंक इसमें
Large.
भी लार्ज है. ये बता दीजिए.
Medium और large.
Medium and large.
ML XL डबल
हाँ.
XL है.
होगा ये.
ये डबल XL.
चलो.
नहीं. Yes, so in this article, black with silver Prada, we
Prada.
have medium to double XL. So white में भी वही है and in black also we've got these very few sampling pieces. So you can quickly order. We've shown you and talked about the product. We've shown it to you as well. So sizes भी available है इनमें. हल्का सा इनमें लाइक्रा भी है,
Lycra.
कॉटन में. तो ये स्ट्रेच है. It's going to be a very good fit. Modern fit है. It's got short collars. ये मैं बता चुका हूँ, है ना? All sizes available in white and black. Okay.
Hackett and large.
इसमें multi color. It looks very sporty. AMR Aston Martin and
Dry
what's the
fit
size? Dry fit cotton. Yeah, very short collars. It's got these trendy buttons, push buttons. ठीक है जी. पीछे से it's all single shade. आगे से it's got 3 colors. So that's a large. Large है क्या?
Large.
Okay, that's a large. Another large. I think we have another large in this. Okay, we've got different colors in this. We've got a lovely green. ये
Green.
बताइए.
Size large. Aston Martin.
Size large.
Back plate.
Also, there's a medium in this.
Size medium.
Medium is a 40. इसमें lycra है, stretchable है.
Medium.
In this red and white, ये खोल के दिखा दीजिए.
नाइस वन.
ये साइज मीडियम.
मीडियम. नाइस कलर.
ले
और भी साइज होंगे
The
भैया.
combination, it looks like the British flag. It looks very nice. The blue, white,
Large.
and red.
दिस वन लार्ज.
Large
एक्सेल
and XL. We got an XL.
अच्छा.
Gap is the brand here. See Gap again, US shipment. Medium लिखा है, single pocket, all over anchor design, lovely blue, light blue, and a very light
Medium.
cotton. बहुत हल्का है ये shirt.
Nice.
For the extreme heat, it's got a pleat at the back, and the size will quickly measure because ये US है तो quickly measure. Single pieces we are measuring for you ताकि ये we want you to be 100% satisfied. ये देखिए 44 आ रहा है, medium is a 44. So that's the reason why we are measuring it, because ये बाहर के
Levi's.
shipments हैं तो sizing इनके haywire. Medium Levi's double pocket.
42.
You can see the
Levi's.
lovely check, red and white combo. Looks really nice. Double pocket. These go with cargo, jeans and chinos.
चिनोस.
तीनों से के साथ जाता है. I think this should be a standard size 40-41. Okay. American Eagle Outfitters, very nice shirt. Oxford, rich. It can be worn formal. It's got a lovely logo there on the pocket. पीछे से plain, complete Oxford है ये.
Size large.
Size large है, but I think it should be like a 44 because ये बड़ा size है. 46 is his guess. Yes, he's right. Good. 46. His andaza was right.
Gant.
Okay, Gant. This is linen. This is a lovely,
Nice.
very light pink. You can hardly make out. It's
Nice.
like a cream color, but it's got a tinge of pink in it, which makes it outstanding and unique. So you see the work there. So it's a baby pink. Even baby pink से भी lighter है.
क्रीम मिक्स.
You know, so it's a very unique color and it goes with all the shades with beige, black, blue, everything. Size is 21 almost.
मीडियम.
So 41, 42 को आ जाएगा perfect. Even 40 can carry that. Quickly we'll show you all assorted articles. Linen shirt, half. Size is what?
38.
38, 40?
Small.
Yeah.
Small.
Very smart shirt.
Bottom के
Broad stripes. Yeah, this looks very nice. आजकल trending है ये
पहले
article.
दिखाया उसके साथ.
हाँ?
जो वो दिखाया उसके साथ मैच.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैच करेगा ये. बहुत अच्छा ट्रेंडिंग आर्टिकल है. ये देखिए ये है अगेन थिन फैब्रिक ऑल ओवर प्रिंट. इट्स अ नाइस प्रिंट. साइज बड़ा है. आई थिंक 44, 46, 46 प्लस भी हो सकता है ये. सिंगल आर्टिकल. लवली हाफ शर्ट. Now viewers, this is a beautiful article. I'll take a minute to explain about this. The fabric is linen. Label is a very big label. It's an authentic piece. You see
Large.
the all over design is so classy.
Michael Kors.
MK all over print. Okay guys, so this is large mentioned है यहाँ पे. Slim fit है, linen है, all over print है. Very nice article. Very unique, single piece. No size sets. Single sampling piece. Perfect 44 measurement. 44 you can quickly order. It's a beautiful piece. इसका label सब कुछ intact. पीछे से देखिए all over design, a beautiful print there. You can zoom in and see. So linen is the fabric. Very costly article, single piece.
गैप.
So
Nice
his
check.
response to the check is, oh my god, OMG, Pawan loves this check. So viewers, all single pieces, quickly order please. This is 23.46. So light, lovely cotton fabric. Gap is the brand. Fizzle rag again. Once it slips, you can make out that it's very rich fabric they've used. Okay. So we've told you about the measurement, the brand, everything. Now this is again OMG, I think, no?
Yeah.
You should.
Order
Yeah.
after.
So this is a formal shirt, a very different
Double XL.
design. इसके जो minuscule checks जो हैं and उसमें भी काम है, you know, so it's a different fabric, different, very rich look. And the contrast with the brown base is the green logo, bottle green logo. Size mentioned here is
डबल एक्सल
double XL. Let's see classic fit. Let's measure and see what it is because US shipment का है. 44, 45. 45 is the size. It's not so big because it's a classic fit and it's a full sleeve, single piece. Okay guys, this is also a lovely shirt, fresh, clean, new.
Check.
Express is the brand.
मीडियम
Again,
Nice.
mostly sells in US. It's a French label. You can see the buttons also have Express written there. And the best part is the fabric is
Is it
knitted
stretchable?
fabric. It's
Stretchable.
stretchable hai. And a very superior fabric they've used. So it's a beautiful piece there. You can see. Yeah, everything is intact. See there? So that's a medium size, a lovely blue color. And पीछे से does it have a pleat? नहीं. Medium 41 है ना? 41.
42.
Okay, white American Eagle.
Check.
लार्ज
Multicolor stripe with the pocket. पीछे से भी यही डिजाइन है. Size is XL, which is a 44 plus. इसमें there is a slight dust mark here. Viewers will get a little bit of further discount. Slight dust mark है यहाँ पे because white है. The moment ये बैग से निकाल देते हैं कभी भी ये
Size large.
जो है you know it can get dusty. So this is large but it's a US shipment तो ये बहुत बड़ा होना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से. ये देखिए ये 23 which is 46.
46.
Large 46 को जा रहा है. A beautiful piece. Lovely fabric. Banana Republic. You can see the lemon, the blue, the contrast of the checks.
मीडियम
कितना perfect है.
नाइस
Medium.
Fabric बहुत अच्छा है. Fabric is
42.
really classy. I think this should be 42 plus. 42? I think it looks like a 42 because US brand है. American, Banana Republic, Gap, and Old Navy. These are all part of a same sister concern company. This is like 20 and a half. 41. Okay, Banana Republic again. यहाँ पे फिटिंग के बारे में बताया हुआ है. Grant fit.
मीडियम नॉन आ रहा है
And
Medium.
you
नाइस
see it's not only black and white. दूर से black and white लगता है, but अंदर इन्होंने ना blasts of colorful कुछ checks को उन्होंने थोड़ा सा colorful बना दिया just to make it more attractive. So they given little bright colors in between. थोड़ा बहुत 20%, 80% is black and white, 20% इन्होंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा contrast करने के लिए they have something different. Oops, it's the other way around. Size क्या है? Medium?
Medium.
Medium इनमें भी अलग अलग fit आते हैं. So it's 21 and a half. 43. Okay, now this is Brook Brothers. You can see the pattern, how beautiful it is. ये देखिए viewers,
Nice
this is vertical stripes, then it's got check, then it's got vertical stripes and check. Combination between vertical stripe and checks. Very unique, very classy, even the, it looks very nice, the blue and white. Brook Brothers authentic single sample piece. पीछे से all over stripe है, ऊपर check है. The design looks very nice. It's a lovely cotton there they've used because this is a very big label, and it's a single pocket, and we have to measure the size because it's a single piece and a very big brand. So that's 23, which is 46.
6.
Very lightweight shirt with a small miniature logo, a blue and white check, always trending. It goes with navy blue, khaki, black, white, सबके साथ जाता है ये fabric और ये combination. Size क्या है बता दिया?
Large.
42 plus. 42 plus. We're not going to measure that. I think it's 42, 43. This is a lovely piece. Draw a little medium size check, blue and white with a red
Medium.
logo.
44.
Looks like a 44. We'll have to measure because there's some doubt there. जिन चीज़ों में डाउट है तो वो हम मेजर करके आपको बताते हैं कि परफेक्ट क्या होगा आपके लिए. ये देखिए ये 22, 44, he's right. So ये देखिए पीछे there is a pleat. अब ये medium है Ralph Lauren. This is a Blair sort of a fit. It's saying Blair is the fabric. That's the design, but it looks like a big size fabric. Again, silky fabric, very nice.
Awesome.
Awesome fabric. You see the blue and this contrast, and a very very thin design, very thin, hair thin design at the back. It looks like a very big size. Big thing. Yeah, this is a 50. This is going up to a 50. Nice. So he was close. 50. Very light shirt. Very ये वाला बहुत हल्का है. About 20 grams. So it's very superior fabric. Colorful pony there. The size mentioned here 16 and a half. And this is what Yarmouth. That's the design. Probably they are categorizing it according to the fabric. Fabric is very light. It's very good for like almost 50 degrees plus. के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, we are going to measure this article. A very lightweight article. We've spoken about the specifications of this beautiful shirt. The size here is again viewers very big, 25 over 25, which is 50 plus. Fabric is very nice. This has a little bit of dust marks, but we'll give you a good price for that. It just needs a dry clean on the racks or the shelves maybe. There are one or two marks I think, which I think I saw. In case there's something, we will show it to you and then ship it. अभी कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा मुझे, है ना? So everything okay? at the moment?
Everything's okay.
Yeah, everything okay. I think viewers. There's a slight mark there, a dust mark. So if there's anything like that, हम लोग we are honest enough to tell you, and the choice is yours. अगर आपको we can drop the price a little bit, and अगर आपको चाहिए आप dry clean करा सकते हैं. वो dry clean के पैसे हम आपको देंगे. ये देखिए, Izod. Again, American brand, a lovely check. Fabric is nice. Size is large. It looks like a 46 plus. Quickly measure कर लेते हैं. Single pocket article है. Yeah, 48 plus. It's going up to about 48, 49. Okay, guys, guess Los Angeles, LA. Lovely buttons. You can focus. See the silver and the black. The black is shining so well. Push buttons. ये देखिए कितना classy है. Thin fabric. It's got this work on the shoulders, and it's got double pocket. It's got something written here. If you see, this got something here written here, rock and roll and all that. It's got 3 buttons on this here on the wrist, and a beautiful print at the back. So very classy shirt, very very classy shirt. Guess single sampling pieces हैं ये your shipment के. और ये single pieces हैं. We are going to measure this for you. This is a size 40, complete 40. So a lucky customer can own this, a size 40. And ये mentioned है small, US smaller, so it's fitting a small size 40. Size large 44 plus, linen cotton mix, lovely multiple stripes. The label is Gap. पीछे से दिखाइए. There is a pleat. So very nice fabric overall. Okay, viewers, this is a very superior fabric. It's non-iron, which means it is wrinkle-free. Design is very nice. The piece is outstanding in fabric terms. A very classy formal shirt. But viewers, I'd like to small piece. It requires a dry clean. We'll give you a good price for this. Yeah, that's the issue with this. The other thing, there's nothing in this. It's perfect, and the owner of this shirt will love it. I'm sure they'll, like so many viewers have given us their reviews that they love the stuff. We'll get a very good review for this. So a good special price for this piece, which has a little minor dust spot on it. Okay, so size इसको mention कर दिया?
नहीं,
फिर भी इसको mention कर देते हैं.
6 or
46, 44, 46.
yeah.
Yeah, 46. Label is you can see BR, Banana Republic. Here's a beautiful paper cotton shirt, very thin, light.
Large.
AX. Large.
So the beauty of this shirt is it's got a print here. This black spots is part of the design. You can see the buttons. The buttons are authentic. There are short collars here. It's a beautiful piece there. You can see the label, everything intact. Short collars, beautiful. And this black spot is not a reject, or it's not dirty. It's part of the design.
Left
Black,
side, left design.
it's
right,
like paws, you know, a design over there. And fantastic piece. That's the design. And at the back, it's plain. So it's plain fabric at the back, and it's got the design in the front. So it's a beautiful designer shirt, and you can see the wash care, everything is intact. So once you wear it from a distance, it looks really nice. These black spots, they stand out very well. And size, we are going to measure this. Ek baar, I think 42 plus.
Yes.
This is Armani Exchange, single sample piece. 44. 44 for this beautiful piece. Viewers, you can quickly order them. Okay, a lovely unique shirt. A pink Oxford
Large.
Chinese collar.
with this contrast collar, and it's a big label. See Brook Brothers, a navy blue logo, a lovely Chinese collar, can be worn out as well for official purposes and cocktail parties. So it
22.
looks really nice. 44,
Oh,
44 Oxford cotton. Another lightweight, beautiful shirt. with a
Brook
lovely
Brothers.
design. Yeah, single pocket. And large is mentioned. I think the size is 44 plus.
yes.
44 plus. Let's see.
Only 44.
No, this is exact 43. 43 viewers. You can see this, and it's got a button at the back. You can see this button, and that's the label. Okay. So all sampling pieces to Europe and America. So a lovely Tommy Hilfiger
Size
European shirt. Again, classy fabric. You can see the lovely design and this little piece of logo. This really stands out on white. And again, European shipment.
Medium size.
42.
We'll measure this for you because ये बाहर के हैं, European या US. तो इसके size थोड़े से बड़े होंगे. So we are showing you 44 for medium. 44. Okay.
American Eagle.
So lovely grey logo there. Contrast, they've given a greyish logo. A fine check, and it's a piece for a official purpose. So office wear shirt,
Size
formal shirt.
6.
The size is going to be big.
Big size.
Size will
44
be
plus.
big, I think
No,
44
46.
plus. So there is
46.
tremendous demand for bigger size shirts. Yeah, 50.
40.
It's going up to 50. Size क्या mention है?
Size है. Size
Anyway,
XL.
50. So XL is a 50. A beautiful single piece, silky fabric, very thin.
DKNY.
Yeah,
Slim.
you can see what a beautiful piece.
Wow.
You can zoom in and see the labels and everything. I mean, the buttons and everything have authentic DKNY written in it. It's a single piece. इनमें sizes नहीं है. So we're going to quickly measure. I think what's written here is a 34, 35.
Buttons अंदर दिए हुए
It's
हैं.
got this placket, हाँ, अंदर दिए हुए. तो बहुत sexy shirt है. Very nice, very awesome.
Okay.
ठीक है. So a very nice design. You can see it's got the security seal and everything intact. It's got spare buttons. That's the security seal there. Okay. So a lovely shirt. DKNY, Donna Karen, New York. One single piece. That's size 41.
1.
Total length.
1.
Now viewers, this is the last piece. They say leave the best for the last, so we are leaving the best for the last. This is a beautiful piece. You can zoom in. See what a beautiful, fantastic piece this is. We have to put this back in poly bag because it's a beautiful logo there. You can see what an outstanding logo there. And you can see the fabric is really, really crazy. We'll open it and put it back in front of you in this bag because this is again a very luxury item. Shipment pack condition बहुत rare मिलता है, बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़ते हैं to get one single samples from you know, for exports. So it's just a single piece we are giving you, we're getting for you.
Size XL.
It's got a beautiful wash care there with scan code and everything. Size XL, just one single piece, no synthetic used, very friendly fabric, because these are all very classy high-end products. You can see this is exact measurement is about a 22 and a half, which is 44, 45. Just one single piece, viewers. You can quickly order this. ये क्या size है? Large.
Large.
Izod.
Size large.
Size large, Izod, it's going to be a big size. We'll measure it again. I think it should be 46 plus. You can see the color combination is very nice. The green, the white and the blue combination looking really crazy. It's got a pleat at the back. Fabric is outstanding. Izod is again American company, all going up to $100 for these shirts. 48 is the size. Here's American Eagle double pocket shirt, black and white, broad check, short collars, thin fabric, casual shirt, pure casual shirt, can be worn on cargo and denims. ये देखिए 23, which is a 46. 46, yeah. Okay, lightweight, again very light, cotton. Brand is H&M.
H&M.
Again, European shipment exports, it's not domestic. So the fabric is going to be superior, the print is outstanding, the weight is very light, and the print is nice, and the fabric overall outstanding fabric and design. So we'll quickly measure. I think क्या size लिखा है उसमें?
Large.
Large लिखा है. This looks like a big size to me. 46. 46. Here. A lovely print and fabric. You can zoom in and show the viewers. Very nice classy fabric. Yeah.
What is the size?
Boss.
Medium?
So our cameraman has a smile on his face. He's so you can
Size
see this.
medium.
Yeah, this is a medium, but we are going to measure this. It's a lovely slippery fabric. Boss is the brand, and size medium is mentioned there. Made in this is Macedonia, and so this is probably import medium, and this is outstanding fabric. Short collars. We'll quickly measure the width for you because this is a single piece. Here you have 44, and इसमें because there's nothing in front, ये side में दिया हुआ है. You know, you've got that little label there on the side. Okay, so a lovely cotton linen shirt, single
Size
pocket.
large.
Gap.
Check.
What size is it?
Large.
Large. 44 plus. कैंची है क्या? Okay, thank you guys. This is the closing statement from my side. Kindly do subscribe our channel, follow the channel, and this is a collection, a new collection that we've come out with. So we are not disclosing the price. A sale will follow through in the next 10 days. So over there we will disclose the prices over there. So I thank you very much for your support. You've always supported us. So there's so many new customers who have been added, and overall we have reached about 95% satisfaction. We'd like to reach 100%, but we are working towards that, and we would like to satisfy everyone, but it's actually not possible in any business, but we are striving towards that. The next point I'd like to mention is that we have mentioned all the sizes and everything, so please carefully think about it before you order, because we would also like the returns and the exchanges to be as minimum as possible, because that is a big issue which both the customer and we face together. So overall, thank you very much. I would request you to go through the video. It's a little lengthy video. It's a new collection, but fantastic stuff in there for you. We will not disappoint you on the prices. Thank you very much once again, and thank you for supporting.